Welcome to AutoCount Cloud Payroll tutorial video, time attendance, and the topic is shift maintenance. AutoCount Cloud Payroll has prepared a wizard for time attendance to simplify the quick setting for time attendance. However, in this tutorial video, we will introduce all the available function for payroll user to understand the details and the setting as desired. We will start with the maintenance. Under human resource, shift maintenance. Under shift maintenance, you can create your shift setting, like example, enter your code, description, your OT rounding time, your shift color setting, shift clocks. Start with when will you be start your working hour. In my example, I start with 9 o'clock. My late buffer is 15. Anyone who reach more than 15 minutes from the 9 o'clock will be considered as late coming. If the employee failed to clock in within 60 minutes, it will be considered as absent. You may change your setting as you desire. The break time is your lunch hour. You may allow your employee to have out buffer of 15 minutes and come back at 2 o'clock and in buffer for 15 minutes. If your company offer tea time or breakfast, you may include into the break time setting as well. And the last part is clock out, which is the end of your working hour of the day. And save. That's the end of the topic shift maintenance. Stay tuned for the next video, rules maintenance. Thank you.